Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to our presentation. It's great to see you all. Say hi, guys. We are from Group 4. We'll explain the material on database basic. Let me introduce ourselves. I am here. Next to me is Rizky, and we have the ladies, Dewi Fatima, and we have Rijal and Paujan. Okay, my friend, this is presentation will will discuss about number one introduction to database, number two basic database concept, number three basic database operation and database system, and then number five database management system. Okay. Well, the first material will be delivered by Rijal Ainun Yakin. So Rijal, please.
Okay, thank you, Tia. Number one, introduction to database. Data is something very important in human life. This cannot be denied because every day we always need and use data in planning everything, considering anything and making decisions in our lives. Database is a collection of files that have a relationship between one file and another file so as to form a data will need to inform a company or agency within certain limits. Next, the elements contained in the database are as follows. A. Entity. An entity is a person, scan, or concept whose information is recorded. In the health sector, entities are patients, doctors, and rooms. B. Record or tuple. Record is a collection of content of element attributes that are interconnected and inform about an entity completely. C. Value data. Value or content data is the actual data or information stored in each data element. The content of an attribute are called value data. D. Attribute. Each entity has an attribute or designation to represent an entity. Attributes are also referred to as data element, data fields, data item. Next. Here is an example of using a database. Lending to libraries. When we borrow in libraries, most likely database are accessed. The officer will enter the book code or use a reader machine. The machine is connected to the item database application to find of the book data. The application will then reduce the amount of stock of the book and display the amount of stock available to the officer. If the amount of existing book stock is below the lower threshold of stock, the database system will automatically inform the officer that the loan cannot be done, or if the reader asks for the availability of a book, then the officer can check the stock of the book and the location of the book storage by running an application that determines the availability of the book from the database. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Rizal. The next material will be delivered by myself. Okay, I will talk about basic database concept. Number two, A, database definition. According to Potential 20 and 12, said that database consists of two words, namely database and data. Base can more or less be interpreted as a desk or warehouse, a nesting or grading place, while data is representation of real-world facts that represent an object such as human, student, buyer, customer, good, animals, even concept, circumstance, and so on, which are imbued in the form of number, letter, symbol, text, image, sound, or combination thereof. Next, the next is according to Indrajani 209, said that there are several definitions of data, including data are raw facts or observations that are usually about physical phenomena or business transactions. More especially, data is an object measure of the attribute characteristic on an of an entity such a person, place, thing, or event. Representation of what of fact that represent an object such as customer, employees, student, etc., which are stored in the form of number, letter, symbol, text, image, sound, and their combination. Next, B. Principle and objectives of database. Database and filing cabinet actually help us help the same word in principle and purpose. The main principle is the organization of data or archive, and the main goal is easy and speed in retrieving data or archive. Okay, the next material will be developed by the please.
Okay, thank you, Tia. Three basic database operation. Inside Dix, we can pledge several more than one database. While in a database, we can pledge one or more tables. In this table, the data is actually stored and pledged. Each database is generally created to represent a specific data universe. For example, there are personal database, academic database, inventory database, and soon next. Therefore, the basic operation that we can perform with regard to database according to Fatansha, Fatansha will include: 1. Create a new database which is synonymous with creating a new filing cabinet. 2. Database drop which is synonymous with vandalizing a filing cabinet and its content in if any. 3. Creating a new table to a database created table which is identical to adding an archive folder to an existing filing cabinet. 4. Reformer of a table from a database drop table which is identical to the destruction of an old file folder in filing cabinet. 5. Ending or filling in new data to a table in a database insert which is identical to ending archive sheet to an archive folder. 7. 7. Saving data from a table update which is identical to im- improving the contents of archive sheet in an archive folder. 8. Deletion of data from a table. Delete which identical to a deleting an archive sheet in an archive folder. Uh, well, well then I return in to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Dewi. The next material will be delivered by Rizky Farijal. So, Rizky, please.
Okay, thank you, Tia. Well, next, the material number four is database system. According to Vatansia 2012, a system is an order integration consisting of a number of functional components with units of function and special tasks that are interconnected and together purpose to fulfill a certain process. A vehicle can represent a system consisting of a starter component to start ignition, an ignition component for burning fuel that makes the piston work, a drive component to drive the wheels, a braking component to slow down and stop piston and wheel movement, electrical component to activate speedometer, light, etc. that jointly carry out the function of the vehicle in general, namely as a mean of transportation. A database is just a passive object. It exists because there is a maker. It will never be useful if there is no manager or mobilizer. The manager or driver directly is the program or application software. The combination of the two, database and management, produce a system. Therefore, in general, according to Vatansia 2012, a database system is a system consisting of a collection of interconnected data tables. In a database, on a computer system, and a set of programs commonly called DBMS or Database Management System that allow several users and or other program to access and manipulate this table. Let's see picture of database management system. Okay, thank you. Then I return into the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Rizky. And the next material will be delivered by I'm sorry, Arianto Fauzan. So, please, Arianto.
Well, we get into the next material is database management system or DBMS. A DBMS is software that allows users to define, manage, and control access to database. Example of software that include DBMS: the base, Foxbase, Airbase, Microsoft Access, Borland Paradox, or Borland Interbase. MS SQL Server, Oracle, Informix, Sybase, MySQL, etc. This sample computer accessing database, where member and officer enter report data to be used as the DBMS. The picture above shows how a computer accesses a database. The database holds all data, starting from members, book data to loan or and return transaction data, so that members can see book data available in the library, as well as members can see what books have been borrowed and the time of return. Similarly, officer can see the same. Okay, thank you. Will I get returned into the moderator?
Okay, thank you, guys. That's all the presentation from our group about database basic. Thank you for your listening. My authors, we have shared a beneficial for all of us. More and less.
Thank you.
Sorry if. Okay, thank you for coming, guys. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum
Thank you,
warahmatullahi
guys.
wabarakatuh. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Dadah. Bye.
Thank you.